Hello everyone, I am Danish Malahari, bearing roll number ME23033. I am third year mechanical engineering student from Kavi Kulguru Institute of Technologies and Science Ramping. Today's my topic of presentation is boiler and condensation guided by Dr. S.P. Chincholkar sir.
I am Saurabh Rajesh Bakre, bearing roll number ME23029.
I am Charul Hatwar, bearing roll number ME23027. Today I am representing the topic boiling and condensation from heat transfer under the guidance of Dr. S.P. Chincholkar sir. Definition of boiling. Boiling is the process in which a liquid changes into vapor at a specific temperature called the boiling point when its vapor pressure becomes equal to the surrounding atmospheric pressure. Key features are: first, phase change process, conversion of liquid into vapor at constant temperature boiling point. Second, bubble formation, vapor or bubbles are formed inside the liquid, not just on the surface. Third, latent heat utilization, heat supplied is used as latent heat of vaporization. And fourth, pressure dependent, boiling point varies with the external pressure. And fifth, efficient heat transfer, boiling provides very high heat transfer rate compared to simple convection. Of boiling and condensations are: first, high heat transfer rate, means very effective in transforming heat. Second, uniform temperature control, that is maintain a constant temperature power at the boiling point. Third, useful in cooling application, used in the refrigeration power plants. And fourth, plant heating, large amount of heat can be absorbed in a short time due to latent heat. Its disadvantages are: requires continuous heat supply, as you can see in figure. Second, risks of burnout. Third, pressure dependency. And fourth, scaling and corrosion. Its applications are steam generation. Second, cooking. Third, refrigeration and air conditioning. Fourth, sterilization. Fifth, chemical industries.
Hello everyone, my name is Omar Jasme and I am bearing roll number is ME23020. Today I am going to explain the condensation in the subject of heat transfer and guided by Dr. S.P. Chincholkar sir. Of condensation is the condensation is the process in which gas or vapor changes into the liquid when it is cooled or when its pressure becomes higher than surrounding the pressure. And here is the key feature of the condensation. First one is the phase change process, conversion of vapor into liquid. Then second one is heat release, latent heat of release during condensation, pressure and temperature dependent, occurs when vapor is cooled to its due point as a constant pressure. And two types of condensation is film wise and drop wise. Liquid film wise, liquid forms a thin film over the surface, and the drop wise liquid forms droplets on the surface. And there is advantages of condensation. First one is the efficient heat removal, releases the large amount of heat quickly, and temperature large control to maintain the constant temperature at the condensation point. Usually energy recovery, heat release can be reused in the other process, and the essential for water recycling. It is the convert into the vapor back to liquid form. And here is disadvantages of condensation. First one is the film condensation is less efficient, and second is the corrosion and scaling, and third requires large cooling surfaces, and fourth one is energy loss if heat is not to utilized. Applications of the condensation is: the first one is the power plant and refrigeration and air conditioning, distillation and water harvesting, and heat exchanger everyday use. Thanks for watching.